Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one of the most tender and juiciest keto honey garlic chicken thighs. They're roasted until golden and served in a beautiful sticky sauce. You really don't want to miss this one. What I absolutely love about this recipe is just how easy it is to make it, especially if you already have my signature keto honey garlic sauce. I've already made a video on how to make it a little while ago, so you can find the link to the video in the description below. I'm not here to waste your time, so let's dive right in. So the first step is to generously coat the chicken thighs in keto honey garlic sauce. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it marinate in the fridge overnight. Next, let's take a baking tray, add a little oil and place marinated chicken thighs on the tray. Right now, I'm just gonna add a little bit extra sauce on top of each piece. The next step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the chicken for about 40 minutes or until you think the chicken is almost ready. Next step is to add some healthy veggies to go with the chicken. For this, let's take the bowl with the remaining sauce, add chopped broccoli, bell pepper, baby carrots, and give it a quick mix. When the chicken is golden brown and almost ready, remove from the oven and add the vegetables to the baking tray. Put the tray back in the oven and bake everything together until vegetables reach desired doneness. Now you're ready to plate. Let's take some extra fresh honey garlic sauce, heat it up in the microwave, and drizzle over the whole dish. And for garnish, let's sprinkle some fresh parsley on top. The smell of this dish is just so incredible. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more recipes and have a delicious day.